Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing a swing trading recap as we have entered yet again another position, and today it was on Microsoft. I think we put this in yesterday's video and one we were potentially looking at, but if not, it was posted in the Discord. So with Microsoft, it's coming into the first deviations on the daily and 4 hour. It has hit the first deviation on the daily at 305.20. And is very close to the first deviation on the 4 hour at 308.70. So we did enter one short contract at 305. We got an average of, I think it was 830, but it will be on screen. And so we're just kind of holding on to this. We got a price target of probably 300. We'll just lock it in all the way down to around 285. So depending on how it plays, how quick it moves, we will be looking to either close out the one contract at either 285 or around just under $300, maybe 297. However, what we are looking more to do is add in more size at 308.50 if we can push up that bit higher. And then that will change the profit targets that we'll be looking for, because we would most likely lock in maybe one contract back at the 305 level, one at the 297, and probably the last one at around 285 to 290. So yeah, we're in one contract at 305 and looking to get in with two more at 308.50. We'll do a quick update on the other two tickers that we are in, which is BABA and IBM. So you can see what was happening. So as you can see, our entry was around this 161.80. And in the morning we were up at, it was actually quite a lot, maybe like $500 to $600 on the contract. But obviously it hasn't come to our price target yet, which is around 171. So we didn't lock in any of the profits yet. We're still waiting for it. We're only in, I think it's one contract. So we can wait for it to kind of push down. The main kind of thing we'll be doing on this is, if we either stop out or to get the profit, is we just need to see how it moves. It will come back and retest this 161.80. It's just a matter kind of when, if it's tomorrow, by that Monday, Tuesday, or that time. And that will be kind of deciding if we stop out when it comes back to retest this 618, or kind of just wherever the deviation is. So right now it's at 160.70, so we could move this a bit. When it comes back to retest this deviation, all we need to see is how it reacts. If it struggles and pulls back again, that's when we would look to stop out, a bit like we did on the square trade if you were looking at that a few weeks back. Otherwise, we could come retest it and break through, and if so, then we will most likely come into our profit targets. So that's what we'll be looking at on BABA, which is Alibaba. Now on IBM, we're up a bit on this position now. We got in at the 138.50-ish area, and you can see it's moved around $1 or higher since then. But the majority of our size, we would be looking to get in around that 135. So again, we're only in, I think, with 5 contracts now. The contracts were quite cheap on it, so we would be looking in to get into another 5 or 10 at the 135 level if we can kind of come down to that level. If not, we got a profit target of around 143 to 145. So hope you enjoyed the swing trading recap, and that's it. Peace.